Okay, time to go shovel a spot for you guys. Come on, boys. Come on. Go play in the snow. Go play in the snow. You want the shovel? We got 12 inches of snow. I need to shovel a little spot. They hopped through there this morning. You guys staying close? Are you staying close? Are you staying close? Huh? Look at, we got a shovel. We got a shovel. Yeah. We got a shovel. You don't like the shovel? Look, I got a shovel. Here's our little path. Snowdrift. Can't really tell, but it's a big snowdrift. At least it stays pretty, what am I trying to say? Not deep right here, so they can walk along the side. But I'm gonna try to shovel a little path so it's not deep right here. If you try to get my shovel, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'll be back. As soon as I turn off my camera, they go running through the deep snow. Of course. Oh, oh, there he goes, hopping like a bunny. What are you doing? There they go. Oh, it's not what the drift. Look at how tall that drift is. Oops. Oh, I can't even see him. Okay. So, I shoveled them a path. It's dark right there. Shoveled them a path. This is the path they always take in the morning when they run out. Come on! Shoveled them a path to the shed. This is the way they always run. Oh, my shadow. Shoveled them a path that way because they like to go along the fence line. They already made themselves a path back that way. You playing in the snow, Miggy? Mozzie says, please take me in. Let me see my path a little bit better. The snow is really, it's so cold. The snow's really light, but there's so much, it's so heavy. You guys ready to go in? Are you ready to go in? They're happy to have a little path they can run through. I don't know where Marley is. Marley, where are you? Where's Marley? He must be behind that. I have no idea. Behind me? Oh, there he is. He's over there. I didn't know where you were, Marley. I didn't know where you were. You're behind the big snowdrift. They're not even wanting to go in, really. You'd think they'd be frozen. I'm frozen. What are you doing, Miggy? You like the snow? Miggy's been jumping in it. You like the snow? Huh? Like, what is this big snowdrift here? You like the path, Marley? You like the path? Okay, I'm freezing. Time to go in. Let's go. Let's go, boys. You ready to go in? I'm cold. Time to do the warm up and do the driveway. What's this? What's this right here? What's this? Oh. Did it get buried? I'll find it. Maybe not. Did I throw it in the deep snow? I'm sorry. Trying to get it in the path. Okay, ready to go in? Ready to go in? Let's go. Okay, see you guys later. He don't want to come in because he's looking for that ball. Oh, you found it! He dug it out. Come on! You found it. Let's go in now. Come on. Come on. I'm not throwing it again. I'm cold. Come on. Come on, Miggy. Come on, let's go. You want to get a cookie? Yeah, cookie works all the time.